how to add TikTok pixel to Shopify. So the first step is to simply click on add apps and then scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now here you're gonna have to simply search for TikTok pixel, and then the next step is to simply click on this one here, which has a free plan available, and then click on install. Now we're gonna have to click on install again, so we're gonna get redirected to our Shopify dashboard. So basically with this app we're gonna be able to install easily the TikTok pixel. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to select a bill here. So as you can see, you're gonna have to approve the payment method. As you can see, it'll be billed for this app when you begin to use it. The charge will appear on your monthly. So I'm gonna cancel this, and let's go back here to the app. And let's open the app. So even if we, if I'm not wrong, even if we are adding our payment method, we're not gonna get billed right away. So you're gonna have to choose a plan, and then you're gonna have to pick the free one. And basically with this app here, you're gonna have to simply log into your TikTok ads account, and then you're gonna have to select the pixel and click on add pixel, and this will be added automatically to your Shopify store. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.